The weather has changed. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Nebraska. Murphy celebrates by inspecting Papa's nose and rocking out with Omi. We're starting the day off with a little spin, quality eggs, and some avocado toast. Murphy had to test taste to ensure it was delicious enough. And then, of course, some peanut butter cups because my diet is still that of a college student. Just ask Stella and Bridget. They're so proud. It's then back to the camper for some work and a nap for Murphy. After snoozing, he was just hanging out in bed, having a good time. From there, it was more spins, some bounces, and inspecting Teddy's drawing. Then the challenges began. Mike set up a number of challenges. We started by searching for items that blended in with their fancy rug. It was more difficult than you think. Next up was rolling various food items, trying not to eat them in the meantime, down the table to attempt to land them in specific containers. I did pretty well, so I had to celebrate with some dairy-free eggnog. The final challenge was a taste test to determine if you know your cheeses and body armor flavors. I will say, cheese was not my forte, but I did a bit better with the body armor flavors. Who knew there were so many? Franny felt a little left out, so I had to give her a snack. I'm not afraid to trade snacks for love. The fun and games then made their way outside for some capture the flag. While I'm still just 31 years old, I have to tell you, the knees just don't recover like they used to. I'm still feeling it after all that running. Maybe it's because I did almost get all of my right meniscus removed. Quite possible. But that will not stop the fun. We then sadly watched Ohio State get their butts handed to them by Miami. Murphy needed a little consoling. Same. He got over it pretty quick though because playing with Judy is just so much more fun than watching football. He even got to try my non-dairy eggnog and wasn't super about it. Don't worry, alcohol free. We then got some snacks from Papa and prepared for dinner. It's now become a tradition where Rachel and I create a plateless dinner. We wrap the dining room table in foil and plop food right in front of people at their setting. No plates, just space to chow down. It's always a blast and the kiddos love it. And when I say kiddos, I include myself in that, for sure. Murphy said he needed to bounce and play again to work off all that pasta. It was then time for a diaper change before heading to bed. But not before a fancy dance routine from Bridget. We then rung in the new year by playing what might now be my favorite game, Codenames. We all loved it so much, we played so many rounds, and I still did not get any better. We ended up playing right through the new year, so see you in 2026.